Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to Chicago. On behalf of all of the judges in the Northern District of Illinois, I also extend my welcome from them to you. I especially am proud to be here with you today in that we are discussing rule of law, something that for over 25 years has been my pro bono life with the ABA. I have traveled extensively globally on these issues of training judges, training prosecutors, training lawyers, and usually in foreign countries. And here we come back to the American system and our committee, which is focused significantly on this very important issue today. And I think when we say the term rule of law, that all of us in this room have an understanding of what that means. But I really worry that our citizenry does not. I worry that maybe we throw the term out so quickly and blithely that we maybe forget to tell them about what the pillars of rule of law are. And those pillars include an independent judiciary, a judiciary that allows free access to the court. You can be any color, race, religion, and you can walk into the doors at 219 South Dearborn and you can seek redress. And that's a pillar of the rule of law. And when you seek redress, you're going to have some process and you're going to have due process given to you. And we're going to respect your human rights. Another pillar of rule of law. And that independent judiciary is going to apply law to facts, and when that independent judiciary does so, they should not be in fear of being harmed or their families being harmed. They should not be in fear of having their integrity challenged or being threatened with impeachment. Instead, they need to do the hard work that they do to protect us and the Constitution of the United States. Another aspect of the rule of law is transparency and accountability. We very well write the opinions to put out to the world to say, this is why we made this decision, so that the public can scrutinize it, so that the press can review it. And when there is not transparency, that is where, in the dark corners, corruption is bred. Rule of law requires us to protect the human rights of all individuals and to protect the judicial branch. Every day of the week over at 219 South Dearborn, judges in my court swear in hundreds of new citizens. And when they swear those new citizens in, they take an oath to protect the Constitution against enemies foreign and domestic. All citizens. And I tell those citizens, you now have the same rights and privileges that I have, but you also have an obligation. And that obligation is to defend access to those rights and privileges for others and to protect the Constitution in everything that you do as a citizen. You know, at the 1787 Congress, they said that Ben Franklin left and someone said to him, what do we have? What kind of government? Is it a monarchy or is it a republic? And he said, it's a republic if you can keep it. And that isn't just a cute little response. That's a truism. The truism is that a republic, democratic republic, is made by the people, but it has to be protected by the people. It has to be nurtured by the people. It has to be, the people need to be aware of its value and respect that value. Otherwise, you start chipping away at those pillars and the whole thing comes down. It's fragile if you can keep it. The people in this room are the people who can keep it. The people in this room, the lawyers, the litigators who will defend the rule of law, and the judges who will hold tight to the Constitution, they will keep it. I encourage you, keep our republic. Thank you.